This is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and I have a package today that was sent to me by our own Tammy's Manis. So I've got some friend mail, nail mail, to share with everybody. I have slid it open. I have not looked inside. I'm so excited. I just can't turn this down. It's been a while since I've had friend mail. Mail. So I'm going to pull... Oh, we got a lot of goodies. Holy cow, Batman. I should have done this one at a time. Oh. Yeah, because I'm going to get too excited. Let me slide these all over. Betty Boop! She knows I love Betty. How do I get in here? I got to check this out. We're going to look at these one at a time. To get yourself situated. If you need something to drink, get that. Cigarettes, go potty, pause and go potty, whatever you gotta do. Oh, these are all Betty Boop stickers. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, look at this. Where am I? Look at these. Oh, look. Look. Oh, look at this one right here. Oh, I can't wait to show my mom these. She loves Betty Boop too. Also as well. Oh, this is so exciting. Thank you, Tammy. So go check out Tammy's channel at Tammy's Manis, plural. Oh my god. Oh, she taped it shut. Oh. I gotta get in here. I gotta get in. Okay, we're in. We are in. Look, where's my tweezers? We have got little flowers. Oh, look at this. Oh, there's a black one too. Look at these. I love them, Tammy. Oh. Can't wait to play with these. Next we have got more tape. Okay, let me peel this off. Maybe if I turn the light on I can see a little bit better. Okay, whoops. Oh man. Came off wrong. Okay, we're in business. We are in business. Let's see what we have in here. Let's get the tweezers. Oh, look at that. Can you see that? Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, look at that one. Oh. These are bows. Oh, that is pretty. Oh. Clear the deck. Look at this one right there. Can you see it? Can you see it? Hold on, let me hold this up for you. Tammy, I'm sorry, but I have to say this one. I can't use it. Let's see what other goodies we got. Oh! I've been wanting this so badly. And I did request this. Oh, where am I? It's the masquerade mask. I've wanted one of these so badly ever since I seen her haul. Thank you. I'm so excited. I may have to keep that and not use it either. Oh, this is love. I know I don't have to go through everything in here, but I'm just so excited. Oh. She finds the very best things on AliExpress. She really does. Oh, there's 2 sunglasses. Oh, there's 2 masks too. Oh, thank you. Oh, look at this one. Oh, that is too cute. Too cute. I love these. Thank you, Tammy. Let me put these all back in here now. I'm not trying to drag a video out or have it a 45-minute video, but I'm excited. Tammy does find the very best things for nail art. She really does. And I sit there watching her haul videos, and I figure, where'd you find that at? We both shop on AliExpress. Let's see. Oh, I gotta save that one for last. These are glitters. She got these at AliExpress. This is called Cloud. Oh, look at this. I love fine mixes like this. I could just sit here and play with them all day. This is, okay, I didn't know they're numbered. This one doesn't have a number on it. This one says number 4. Number 6. I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, this was Cloud. This is called Fish and Sea. Look at this. That is so pretty. I love this. Okay, we have got Lake Blur Butterfly. Oh, Blake Blue. Well, I can't talk. Lake Blue Butterfly. A little bit of a tongue twister there for me. Oh, wait a minute. There's little, there's tiny little holographic butterflies up here at the top. I can see them. Oh my god. Oh, I can see them throughout. Oh, holy cow, Batman. I don't know if you can see these. Matcha. Oh, this has got some, is this clover? Wait a minute. Let me find a piece. Could be a palm tree. M-A-T-C-H-A. Matcha. This is beautiful. Okay, we got that for over there. I'm not putting them away right now. Winter Mix. Okay, I want to check this out definitely. She hooked me up. Glitters. Glitters. Oh, this is the autumn collection. Oh, yes. I can't get this open. Oh my goodness. I can't get these apart. Yeah, I'm going to spend 5 minutes of the video opening one baggie. Work with me, bag. Work with me. Okay, this is Winter Mix. That is beautiful. Let me see. We have got Ice Princess. Oh, look at that. That is so pretty. That is so, so pretty. Look at that. Oh. And snowflakes. We'll be putting these to good use. Yes, yes, yes. To a Manny together in honor of Tammy. Makes me think of Frozen. I don't have anything from... I did order some, what are they called? Nail stickers from AliExpress. Forgive me, I said express into the cup. We have got 4 mixes here, but I did order some Princess Nail stickers. I think Frozen ones, if I'm not mistaken, off AliExpress. Oh, Tammy made these. Yes. Yes, she put Tammy's Fireball. Oh, that is so neat. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. This one makes me think of a bonfire. It really does. It makes me think of a bonfire. I love that one. Wild Side. Oh, look at that. Let me spread this out. We've got hexagons in here. Oh, look at this. She knows I like a fine mix. I think this is just beautiful. Okay, we've seen Fireball and Wild Side. We are now on to Maple Leaves. And there's leaves in it too. Oh my goodness. Look. There's a maple leaf right there. Let me make sure it's closed. That wasn't closed all the way. You know, things happen in transit. Especially when this was supposed to have been delivered 4 days ago? 3 days ago? Oh, I cannot wait to use this. Look at this. I don't have any fall mixes. Autumn Sunset. Oh, look at this. This is so pretty. I love the name of it too. It fits it perfectly. Beautiful. Because we already did. We put up this past Saturday or last Saturday on She Modern Saturday. I had 2 guests on there. I had Tammy's Manny's on there and Pumpkin's Nail Station. We all did last Manny's this summer. So now it is on to fall. No more summer manicures. Where am I? I'm like, duh. So yeah, no more summer manicures. From here on out, it's fall. So I gotta switch. Oh god, that's gonna take me a minute. I gotta switch everything over to fall. So let's see, what do we... Ooh, good, we got a lot here. Good lordy. Oh, I don't know where... Oh, there you can see it. Lordy. Oh, we got blue ones. I'm excited. Oh, I'll be doing some beautiful manicures with these. Oh. Silver Hollow. Hello, everyone. Oh, here's some... Wait a minute. Oh, my hand is itching between my fingers. Oh, wait a minute. Here's a little ADD kicking in for you. Look at the balloons. Those are so cool. Forgot which ones I had. I can't tell in this light if these are pink. Yeah, these are pink. Look how pretty. Thank you, Tammy. Thank you. Hooked me up, girl. Oh, look at this. These are maple leaves. Ooh, look at the green. Love this color, too. Love, love, love it. Boy, she hooks me up on these. Oh, these are just beautiful. Just beautiful. And here we have got... I can't tell what these... Are these kitties? I can't tell what these are. I have to be nosy. I can't tell what they are, so I need one little one. I don't know if that's possible, but I just need one. Oh, just fish me one out. So here, it's a roost. Wait a minute, what is this? I think it may be multiple shapes in here. I'm not too sure what these are. One minute looks like a rooster, the other minute looks like a squirrel. I'm not too sure what those are. I'm going to have to separate later and take a gander. I'm so excited. Oh, I should look first. Holographic silver snowman. Frosty the Snowman. Oh look, we got some gingerbread. Oh no. Well, yes, they are gingerbread men, but they make me think of, oh my god, what is that? Where they show them in a commercial, a bunch of them together and they're different colors. It's for a cause. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful to have those. Holographic red. Oh, holographic red bows. Oh my goodness. Look at these. Oh, holographic letters. Oh, Tammy, where did you find these? Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm going to have fun with these. It's going to be fun getting them out of here trying to spell something, but that's going to be a lot of fun. Little scissors. I don't know if you can even see anything. I'm just going to town looking. The holographic scissors. And what are these? Christmas. Oh. These are all Christmas bulbs. Like old style Christmas bulbs that you put on your tree when you were a kid. They had them on there. Oh my gosh. Let me see. I don't know if you can see. I need something white. I think. Look at how pretty those are. Oh. Okay. We have got, oh my god, some red apples. Red apples. Oh, we got some holographic black bats. Woohoo! Okay, what are these? Witches and sorcerers hats. Oh, very cool. Oh my goodness, Tammy, you hooked me up. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, I cannot wait to play with these. Since I haven't figured out yet what was in that one package, if you're watching this, or when you're watching this, and if I haven't figured it out yet, and I haven't talked to you about it yet, leave me a comment down below and let me know what it was. Was it squirrels, roosters, cats? Because all these lights I just can't tell. Oh, and up in here, it says Tammy's Cherie. She made me my own glitter mix and named it after moi. Oh my god, look at how beautiful that is. You know, purple's my favorite color. This is holographic purple. We got some different shapes in here. Some are translucent. Oh, there's some butterflies too. Aw, thank you, Tammy. This really means a lot to me. Nobody's ever made me my own mix before. You were the first. Probably the only. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I just cannot. Wow. I mean, I know you said you were sending me a couple things, but this is more than a couple things. Thank you, Dollface. My mother's gonna love these. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Put that on the side. Put my picker-upper away. Thank you for my goodies. Thank you for my millions, because that's what they mean to me. They're 1 in a million, honey. You find the best things when you do a haul. Cannot wait. Thank you for being here today and seeing this with me and sharing it with my friend Mail. But nail mail. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell and click all. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, happenings, milestones, the whole caboodle. You don't know where this journey is going to take me, so I'd like you to be along the ride with. Leave me comments down below. Let me know what you think of my little goodies here. Take a gander over to Tammy's channel, Tammy's Minis. Go subscribe to her, give her some watch time. Her and Viola Brown, they're really in some need there. I think they're next on our list to try and get monetized and to get their 1K in. Go subscribe, pop them on, pop their My Videos playlist on your device. Let it play all night long. Just turn the volume down. Don't turn it off. Turn it down where you can just barely hear it. Just a scotch. Just a little scotch. So yeah. Help them out. If you're still playing me, I greatly appreciate the watch time. It helps me continue on to my next milestone and my next goal. As far as subscribers, my next goal is 1,100. I'm at 1,005, I believe. So it's pretty exciting. I think everybody that has been here with me throughout my journey so far, it's been quite a ride, especially the last, 5 months. It has been, I know I've said this before, and I'll probably say it again probably a few more dozen times, but it's been quite a whirlwind. It's been very exciting. I've had a lot of people come and support me, and I hope they continue to do so. Continue to play my videos, grow with me, learn with me, and I thank you. Have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.